Again with Bardeen here. In this video, I'm going to show you a little bit more on how to use web search inside of Bardeen. So as always, we're going to open up our Bardeen Chrome extension here. And as you've probably already seen, this time we're going to click the little plus button, which is then add an action. And over here on the right, you'll see several different options here, but this one we're going to cover our web search. So if we click on our web search, you'll see a couple of different options here. First one being find search results on the web, find news articles, and get answers from the web using AI. So each of these have their own time and place that we would use them. A quick overview of each of them. Your very first one is going to be a find search results on web. Think of this as like doing an actual Google search. So this is non-AI. There isn't anything super special about this other than it can be put into your actual automations. So if you're doing a Google search and you're searching exactly what you're looking for, or maybe you're doing an automation which you're trying to find out what's the very first search result for a specific title, then this would be the one that you would want to use. Your next one is pretty straightforward. This is just simply finding news articles. It's a search based off of what you want, specifically for news articles. And your third one here is getting answers from the web using AI. This is very similar to your first one. However, this is using AI as well with it. So this is actually the one that I think I use the most. It's probably the one that you'll find the most useful as well. But really, all three of these have a really good time and place depending on what you need. So just to go over one of these here, we're going to click on our get answers from the web using AI. And just like you probably saw in the AI video, you're going to see a prompt here. So in this one, we're going to go down, we're going to click custom text, and you can really type in whatever you want in here. This is going to be something very similar to what you might type into Google for as a general search. You may also do something similar like this in ChatGPT, but you are going to type in whatever that you would like to know here, but you can technically pass in different variables if you've gotten it from previous steps. So if I say something like, tell me about Bardeen, the automation company. And technically I could pass in bardeen.ai. I could pass in the website if I get it from a different, if I get it from like a Google Sheet, or I find it from a previous step where I scraped it from the website or whatever it may be. I can do something like that. And then here, just to test our actual step here, we can have it actually go out to the web, learn a little bit about Bardeen, and then return that information. So here it'll give me a nice little overview of Bardeen. It gives me some core features, lots of information here. Now you can guide a lot of this, so I didn't really give it much context here, so it's just giving me a ton of different information. But you can really adjust and sculpt this how you want. This is a really, really powerful part of Bardeen, I think, and it's something that I personally use in a lot of the different playbooks that we build out for clients. Hope that helps.